I keep seeing everybody make chia seed pudding, and I really want to try it, but I don't have chia seeds. I got flax seeds, so I found a recipe for that, which is basically all the same stuff, just different meanings. I need 1 cup of flaxseed, 2/3 cup, 2/3 cup, I need a 2/3 cup, please.
2 hours later.
For the milk, teaspoon and a pinch of teaspoon, tablespoon.
A few moments later. 3 hours later.
Tablespoon, teaspoon. I also need a bowl, I guess. Seems like a lot. Like way too much, personally. It feels like a lot. But okay. I don't even know if I like flaxseed. Like, I don't even think I've ever had it before. But we'll see. Okay. 1 cup, 2/3. Says you can use almond, oat, coconut, or soy. Okay. I feel like that was a weird noise. I have a napkin here. Oh, what's next? 1.5 to 2 tablespoons maple syrup. We'll just do. Actually, 1 second. I had maple syrup with my apple earlier, so this was literally just maple syrup. Why make a dish when I don't have to? Hopefully this is enough maple syrup. But if it's not, I have another one in the cupboard, so it's fine if not. Okay. 1. Okay, we're about half. Let's see how much we can do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
Okay, that works for me. Sunday. How? I think it's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's next. Okay. Just. Okay. Was that it? It says a pinch of salt is optional. I'm just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. I didn't grab something to mix it with. Oopsie. Oh well. Smells interesting, I guess. At least an hour overnight. I'm gonna do it overnight because I'm just getting this tomorrow. Okay. time to transfer it into cups. They say 3. How come whenever anyone makes it say I was making 3 servings? I've noticed that too. Let's do it. I'm scared. Okay, all the freaking seeds are staying at the bottom. Whatever, I'll just do this and then pour them in after. Please don't spill. That just splashed me in the face. It is the next day. It is time to try the flaxseed pudding. I grabbed all 3 because the first one I grabbed looked watery. So let's see. See, this one like okay. This one's way more watery. This one has like no water. Which one do I want? I'm gonna have this one that's kind of like in the middle of this one. It smells like maple syrup. That's what it smells like. Okay. Oh gosh. I feel like it's maybe a little bit too much of the seeds. Which means this one's gonna be like, I don't know, let's taste it. The taste is good. Like, I thought it was gonna be given like health food. It tastes nasty. But the taste is fine. It is the texture of like the seeds and like I'm still gonna eat this whole thing though. I'm gonna try all 3. Okay, let's see the watery one. You see the texture is better in that one. This is, oh my god, this looks like Rice Krispie squares. There's definitely not enough freaking. Okay, that is literally just all. Okay. I see where I messed up when I made it, but I don't want to do this one. Okay. Is it bad I prefer like these 2 over like that one? Maybe I'll just like scoop, you know, or whatever. Well, I'll just stop for the next 3 days. It tastes good, that's what matters. But it tastes good.